welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Target beauty box. If you do want to see a review and what's inside, then please keep watching. I do want to read a little bit about this box before we do dive into it. It says, pucker up, the secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them with some tender love and care and the right products, of course. From a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we rounded up our favorite finds that'll keep your palette perfectly kissable. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size version at target.com/beautybox. And then it goes on to say a little description about each product. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here's a closer look on what the box looks like. It says Target Beauty and has little lips on it. On the back of the box, there's really nothing. There's just a little barcode here at the bottom. I haven't even opened this up. It still has little plastic wrapping. So let's go ahead and peel this open and see what's inside. Here's what the inside looks like. There's this little pamphlet. Let's see what it says. Here's what the pamphlet looks like. It's a little description about what I read earlier. And then when you turn it over to the back, you have a $3 off coupon and it tells you a little description about each product. It comes with this little tissue paper. It's in maroon, and ooh, here we have all of the products. Let's start with the first one here. The first product is a cooling gel lip mask. It says, pucker up, the cooling gel lip mask may help to soothe lips and lock in moisture all day long. Here's what the lip mask looks like. When you turn it over on the back, you do have the directions. Let's go ahead and place this in the fridge. That way we can try out all the products. The next product we have is this scrub. Here's a closer look on what the scrub looks like. It's from St. Ives. This is their sweet passion fruit lip scrub. It's made with 100% natural sugar. On the pamphlet, it tells you a little description about each product. It does say about the St. Ives passion fruit lip scrub. It says, vibrant exfoliating scrub polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. Let's open this. That's what the inside looks like. It's yellow. It does feel a little bit gritty. Here's what the texture looks like. I'm gonna apply some on the back of my hand. Of course it's clear, you guys can't see it, so I'm not sure why I'm rubbing it on the back of my hand, but that's what the lip scrub looks like. I have a little bit on my finger. I'm just gonna be rubbing this on my lips. It smells really good. Taking a tissue, I'm just gonna wipe this off. It doesn't say for how long to scrub your lips for. Just left it on for a couple seconds, scrubbed it on my lips. My lips do feel softer. They feel nice. Let's go ahead and grab this blue tube. I'm not sure what this is. It's just very vibrant. We have a chapstick from Dr. Bronner's. This is an organic lip balm. It's a peppermint scent. It says rich blend of jojoba, avocado, and hemp oils. Hemp oils keep lips soft and smooth. Interesting. And then on the back here, you have a little bit of directions. And then of course the barcode. Let's open this up. Here's what the lip balm looks like. It's clear. Let's swatch it. Not sure why I'm swatching it. It's clear, you guys can't see it. But that's what the lip balm looks like. This lip balm smells so good. It smells like crushed candy canes, but it's made with peppermint and it's organic. It feels very soft on the lips. There's no waxiness. I'm reading the little pamphlet here. It says, use lip balm to treat dry hands or cuticles, revive a chapped chin or cheeks, and provide relief for chapped skin. Wow, that is super interesting. I thought this was just a lip balm. Looks like you can use it for your chin, your cheeks, basically everywhere. I do use Dr. Bronner's liquid hand soap. Let me just show you guys. This is their liquid soap that I was telling you guys about. I purchased a brand new bottle and you guys can see how much I've used. I love using this soap, especially to clean my beauty blender, my brushes. It's really good. It takes everything off. I say 18-in-1 hemp peppermint. Peppermint is the same scent as the lip balm. It's pure Castile soap. It's certified fair trade, made with organic oils. So it says ingredients. You can basically use this for anything. There are so many uses for this soap. There's a little bit of directions on how to use it with your hair, for laundry. You can mop floors with it. You can even wash your dog with it. It's an all-purpose cleaner. You can shave your face. I haven't used any of those yet. Just wash my hands with it, clean my beauty blender and my brushes with it. I haven't gone that far with it, but it's a great soap. I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. I purchased mine at Walmart. They do also sell it at Target. It retails for $15.99. Let's see what the next product looks like. The next product is from Soap and Glory. This is their Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss. It plumps up. I don't really like glosses. I don't really like the tingling feeling of a plump lip. I'm going to face my fears today and try this out. I'm kind of scared, you guys. It says this plumping gloss glides on so lips feel soft and look ravishing, featuring our trademark lip plumping technology to add extreme volume and moisture, making lips feel instantly fuller. Definitely something to shout a pout. Goes on to say it's likely that besides your pout looking plumper, your lips will feel a little buzz. Not to worry, it's normal. I don't want to feel a little buzz. I'm gonna try it out for you guys. First, I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. If it's too much on the back of my hand, I'm not gonna try it on. Let's go ahead and open this up. With a doe foot applicator, let's swatch this. This is sheer gloss. The gloss is very subtle. I don't feel any tingling sensation in the back of my hand, so let's try this out. It smells really good. It smells like chocolate, hot chocolate. I'm not feeling any tingly sensation, which is great. I did not dip back into the tube. Gloss is not sticky, which I like. It feels soft on the lips. I'm not getting any tingly sensation. So far, so good. Let's see what the next product we have. Ooh, this is from Milani. This is their Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade number 10. It says Bold Matte here on the side. Gorgeous shade. I'm gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. This is a matte rose brown shade. It's very pigmented. What it does say on the pamphlet about this lipstick, it says hyperpigmented formula provides bold color in just one stroke. Up to 8 hours of smudge-proof wear. Easy Glide formula is infused with mono oil to keep lips hydrated and kissable. Let's go ahead and swatch this. It's so pigmented. Such a gorgeous shade. It says hint, add moisture to lips before applying, which helps fill in cracks or lines so your matte formula goes on smooth and looks even. I totally agree with that. This is such a long-lasting formula. It does rub off if you are eating and drinking. The next product is from Burt's Bees. This is their lip shimmer. This is in the shade Peony, enriched with shea butter, beeswax, and antioxidant-rich fruit oils to moisturize, nourish, and soften lips naturally. Lip shimmers glide on with the perfect complement of moisture and touch of color. The 100% natural moisturizing lip tint has a smooth texture and looks great alone or layer with your favorite lipstick. Let's see what it looks like applied on its own, and then we'll layer it with the Milani lipstick. Let's open this. Here's what the lip shimmer looks like. Let's give this a little swatch. It's subtle. It does have a hint of shimmer. Let's see what it looks like applied on the lips. It's clear, but it does have a hint of shimmer to it. I do want to apply the Milani lipstick. Now we're going to apply the lip shimmer. I'm just going to apply it to the center of my lips. It looks really pretty. We have one more item in the box. This mask is from Burt's Bees. This is their moisturizing lip mask. Here's what the back looks like. It has some directions. I'm gonna read a little bit about what it does say. It says single-use lip mask moisturizes and hydrates instantly and defines your lips with a blend of natural ingredients including metafoam seed and almond oils. This 100% natural hydrating formula leaves behind soft, smooth, and nourished lips. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna tear this open. Let's see what it looks like. Here's the inside. It's kind of disgruntled. Here's what the lip mask looks like. It smells really good. I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. I am wearing makeup. Fine if it doesn't stick. My makeup will get the good nutrients. I do want to read what it does say on packaging. Place mask on lips and smooth over surface. Leave on for up to 5 minutes. 5 minutes? Let's set a timer. And it says remove mask and gently massage excess formula into lips. No rinsing required. I'm gonna set my timer for 5 minutes. Five minutes is up. Let's remove the mask. Of course, my foundation came off on it. It's fine. We'll do a little touch up later. My lips do feel very soft. I like the lip mask. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Let me touch up my makeup. We still have one more product to test out. It's that cooling lip mask that I left in the fridge earlier. Let me go and grab that really quickly. I have the lip mask from my fridge. Let's open this up. Ooh, it is is very cooling. I do want to read a little bit about this. 12 NYC Perfect Pout Cooling Gel Lip Mask. That's a mouthful to say. Delivers cool, soothing relief for a moisturizing at-home spa experience. Place mask in the refrigerator for an hour. An hour? I did it less than an hour. Or in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. I should have put this in the freezer. I don't know why I put this in the fridge. For best results, use mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing products. I will definitely keep you guys updated on this lip mask. My final thoughts on this Target beauty box, it's a 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. Plus you get a $3 coupon inside this box. This box retails for $7 on Target's website. The box is durable. It's made out of durable cardboard. You can reuse this. You can reuse the tissue paper. I do want to do a quick roundup of the products. I love the lip mask. It was so hydrating and moisturizing. The lip scrub by St. Ives smelled really good. The Soap and Glory lip gloss was not my favorite. I just did not like how sheer it was. Same thing with the Burt's Bees lip shimmer. I did not like all the shimmer. There wasn't any pigmentation. I love the Dr. Bronner's lip balm. This was amazing and moisturizing. The Milani lipstick in the shade I Am Confident. I love this shade. It complements my skin complexion. It is amazing. Last but not least, I really do like this cooling lip gel mask. I will continue to use it. Target does also have some other beauty boxes online. They have the Target Beauty Box Self Love, and with the new Clean Up Your Beauty Routine, and the Target Beauty Box Slay All Day. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.